Hello guys, so nandito na tayo sa next topic na equation transformable to quadratic equations. So may encounter kayo na hindi siya naka-quadratic equation pero kaya palang i-transform into quadratic equation. So we have example here, x times x plus 5 minus 14 is equals to 0. So ito-transform natin yung equation na yan into quadratic equation. So ang gagawin muna natin dito is i-apply natin yung distributive property. I-distribute lang natin itong x. So distribute natin x times x is x squared, x times 5 that is positive 5x, and then copy minus 14 is equals to 0. So kung napapansin nyo, naka-standard form na siya into quadratic equation. Ayun na yung sagot. Next example, we have a square of binomial. And then x plus 8 naka-square sa 2. So tawag dyan is square of binomial. Since ito ay naka-raise sa 2, we need to multiply this x plus 8 twice. So expand muna natin siya, x plus 8 and then x plus 8 is equals to 0. Para i-multiply ito, gagamitin natin si FOIL method. FOIL, F natin is first, O natin is outer, I is inner, and L is last. So FOIL method. X times x, x squared. X times 8, that is positive 8x. 8 times x, 8x ulit. And then 8 times 8, that is 64 is equals to 0. Combining like terms, they are like terms, di ba? So x squared plus 8x plus 8x, 16x plus 64 is equals to 0. Quadratic equation na ba? Yes, and naka-standard form naman na. So ito na yung ating quadratic equation. So last example, we have square of binomial na naman. So x minus 7 squared naka-raise to 2 is equals to x times 3x. So dito, ang gagawin natin dito is expand natin ulit, and itong x is i-multiply lang natin sa 3x. So expand na natin to, x minus 7 and then x minus 7 is equals to x times 3x is 3x squared po. And then apply the FOIL method, x times x, x squared, x times negative 7, negative 7x, negative 7 times x, negative 7x ulit. And then negative 7 times negative 7, negative times negative, positive. 7 times 7 is positive 49 is equals to 3x squared. Combining like terms, so x squared minus 7x minus 7x is 14x. Negative 14x kasi they are same ng sign. So add and keep the sign. Plus 49 is equals to 3x squared. And then, transpose natin tong 3x squared sa kabila. So magiging 3x squared. Mali. Sorry. Positive pala to. Pag tinranspose sa kabila, magiging negative. Negative 3x squared plus x squared minus 14x plus 49 is equals to 0. 0 na lang kasi tinranspose na lang natin yan. And then, meron pa tayong like terms. So, negative 3x squared plus x squared, that is 2x squared minus 14x plus 49 is equals to 0. Na-transform ba natin into quadratic equation? Yes. So, ito na yung quadratic equation. So, baka kasi may ma-encounter kayo na hindi naka-standard form. Isipin nyo agad, hindi na yung quadratic equation. No. Tingnan yung maigi kung pwede siyang i-solve. Kung may ma-distribute ba, may ma-expand, ganun-ganun. So, ganun lang. Thank you for watching na. I hope na may natutunan kayo.